how to buy ApolloX token. So this token came under the symbol of APX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards from crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it's available on MEXC to be able to buy it. Now go and log into your account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it in some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do is type in the search bar APX like that. Now you'll be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now you can buy it. Now click on buy, select the limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be paying of that USDT on your account, and click on buy APX. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and click on buy APX. So this is how to buy APX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.